Water under your kitchen sink? Don't panic. First, we need to find where it's coming from. Sighted where it's coming from. The leak usually comes from one of three places: the water supply, the drain connection, or the P-trap. If it leaks even when the faucet is off, check the shutoff valves and water supply lines first. If it leaks only while water is draining, the problem is likely in the drain system. Here's the problem: a loose connection at the P-trap.
Place a bucket underneath. Then check that the washer is clean, undamaged, and seated correctly.
Align the pipe properly and hand tighten the plastic slip nut. Over-tightening can damage the washer or fitting. Run the water again and use a dry paper towel to check every connection.
No more leaks. If the leak can fix it or comes from a damage, if you have any problems, just give us a call, Plumber.